All right. Okay, so before we begin, I just have some preamble. The first
Sure.
is that yeah, I'm not currently live streaming, but I'm currently recording, and this is because I'm still testing things out, just to make sure things are running
hmm
smoothly. And the recording will go on my YouTube channel. They're for you to refer to in the future, but also for other people to refer to for more educational content.
Okay,
Uh,
okay.
the second thing is that I'm limiting sessions to one session per week for each person, just to make sure that everyone has a chance to book sessions as well.
Okay.
Uh, The third thing is that this isn't like an official course. There are no
hmm
exams, there's no tests, there's no homework unless you
hmm
want homework. Um,
hmm
it's really tailored to you. Like usually in
hmm
like a university or school course, there's like a schedule that doesn't exist here. It's really what you want and how fast you progress. It's really up to you.
Okay.
Um, and the last thing is that I'm on the Zoom free tier. So after 40
hmm
minutes, this Zoom session will kick us out, and I'm going to send you a new link on email. I'll let you know when it happens.
Okay, no worries, no worries.
Okay. All right. So now I would like to just better understand what your goals are and what you hope to get out of these sessions.
Well, to be honest, I've always loved coding. As a child, I've always loved coding. The thing is, while I was in school, I was sort of like taken out of school by my parent, so I couldn't really pursue coding. And each coding course I've seen online, you have to pay. And I was just like scrolling through Reddit and I saw your Reddit and I was like, this is like a crazy opportunity for me. Like I might just take it instead of
Okay.
second guessing myself.
Awesome.
So
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Well, this is going to be a life-changing event. But okay, I will say though that coding, you okay, here's what I guarantee. Whenever you come into a session, you're going to learn something. But in order to like
Okay.
be at the level where you can like start making stuff and like, making things that really change the world, that takes like a long time. It takes a lot of commitment. But
Okay.
don't worry about that. Just like make progress every now, like maybe once a week or something. Just make a little bit of progress, and over time that will build up and you can do great things in terms of programming.
Okay. 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 Thank you. But to be honest, I'll be honest, I've heard of Python. I've heard of but I've never heard of Pirate.
Oh yeah, don't worry, no one has. It's
Okay. Okay.
okay, so I'll explain more later, but I'm just going to send you a link right now, so just so we can get into programming. Could you open
Okay.
that up and then share your screen with me? Oh, and just make sure that before you share your screen, just close anything that may
Mhm.
be sensitive, like your Gmail, for example.
Oh, okay. Let me close that.
Yep.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, that's the most
Let me
common one I noticed, because they went through
okay.
Gmail to get my Zoom link.
Yeah, let me share my screen, share entire screen, Chrome tab, window. Okay, can you see my screen?
It's loading. I see it now. Yep.
Okay, good. Okay, now I'm here.
Okay, great. So I'm going to start very simple. I would like you to
hmm
think of two big numbers and write them down in the editor.
Very big or like it can
Like
be anything.
small enough where you can write it quickly, but big enough where you can't do math in your head.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Yeah,
Um, I guess.
perfect. I mean, you could do math in your head, but that's okay. I would like you to
Yeah,
add them now.
that's a little that's simple. That's simple. That's just a number four. Let me do something else. Let me do something else.
Okay.
Um, there.
Okay. All right. I would like you to add them now.
Add them. Okay.
Yes.
Do I just click? Do I hit add or
I don't know. How do you add two numbers? Oh, okay. All right. So at the top right of the screen, there's a blue button called Run.
yeah,
I would like you to click
yeah.
it. Oh, what's happening here?
It's given me the four must have white space separating it from its operands. Okay, so I must have a space. between. Should I run it again? Let me see.
Yep. Ah,
Oh, it gave me the I guess that's the equals or what it
yes,
equals to.
exactly. The answer.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's sort of so it can do simple addition.
Yes, it can do simple additions, and we will soon find out it can do very, very interesting, complex things. But for now, as we can
Hmm.
see, programming is like using a calculator, which is unsurprising because a calculator is a computer, right?
Yeah, it is actually. Yeah, you're right.
Hmm. Okay, let's try something different. Can we add a third number in there?
Yeah, I think we can. Let me
Okay.
same, just a random number, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, there we go. And I hit run again.
Yep.
Gave me the answer again.
Very nice. Okay. Can we change one of the plus signs into a minus?
We can.
Okay, let's run it. See what happens.
The minus and plus operations are the same grouping level. Add parenthesis to group the operations and make the order of operations clear. Hmm.
Hmm. Okay, so how do we fix, what's the problem and how do we fix it?
They said here the grouping, it's the same grouping level.
Okay.
So when it says add parenthesis to group the operations and make the order of operations clear, hmm, let me see. But it's minus and plus, so what do they mean? I'm confused.
Okay, okay. So let me explain. Okay, so the rules of this language are not necessarily the rules of mathematics that we use in real life.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why is that so?
Okay, for minus and plus, doesn't make
Hmm.
sense. Why don't we change the minus to a multiply? So in
Minus,
programming,
okay, okay, a minus to a multiply.
yeah, okay. So I think this is an example that's easier to, to multiply in programming, we use the asterisk symbol. That's shift 8.
Asterisk.
Yeah, that. So let's run
Okay.
this and we'll see the same thing, but instead of minus, it will be star. Okay.
Yeah, there's a star.
So are you familiar with bedmas and or pandas?
Yeah, I do know Bidmas, yes.
Okay. So in mathematics, there are conventions to the order of operations, right? We multiply first
Yes.
before we add.
Yeah, we do, yeah.
Well, here's the thing about programming languages. There are many, many,
Mhm.
many, many operations. More than four.
Okay, hold on, let me write that down.
And
You said in programming there are many, many different operations.
yes, many.
Okay.
So, in mathematics, you people memorize bedmas or pandas. That's just 6 letters. If we were to do
Yeah.
that in programming, I
Mm-hmm.
don't know how many letters. I think there'll be like 20 letters at least.
Whoa.
Okay. And
Okay.
some programming languages require you to memorize the order of operations for like a lot of operations, but
Mm-hmm.
that's painful, very painful. Trust me.
Mm.
This programming language is designed for beginners and they don't want you to suffer. And so, in order to not require you to memorize order of operations, they require you to
Yeah.
specify the order of operations.
Ah.
So pandas does not exist here
So pandas does not exist here.
in this programming language. No.
In this programming language. Okay, so when they mean group the operations,
Yep.
what is that entitled? Like, am I supposed to, how do I group the two? Since you said as we're using BIDMAS is brackets, indices, division, then multiplication, right? Like you said,
Exactly.
multiplication comes before addition.
Yep.
So when they say group the operations, so multiplication and addition are the same operation. That's what they're saying. Or in the
There
same
are
grouping. Like,
what it's saying is the computer doesn't know which one it should do first. Should it multiply first or should it add first? There's no way to distinguish between the two.
okay. So what it wants me to do is to tell it what it should do first.
Exactly, yes.
Okay. Okay. So how do I do that? Should I say first multiply? Like, should I type out first multiply?
So
And oh
it
no, I should put it in brackets.
exactly, yeah. The round brackets.
Okay, man. Um, no, I'm getting it now. I'm
Yeah,
getting it
man.
now. I'm getting it now. I'm getting it now. It took me a while, but I'm getting it now.
That's good, that's good. All right, let's run it. Let's
Nice,
see what
nice.
happens. Ta-da!
Gave me the answer.
Exactly.
Wow. Okay, now you see that makes sense. When you bring Bridmas into it, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, okay, hold on. Let me also write that down because that's interesting.
Okay.
That's
Uh,
interesting. That's very interesting. To be honest, like I said, I do like coding, but I am also like when you asked when I was doing the survey, I guess to like start your course,
mhm.
it said that you prefer like complete beginners or people who are almost beginners. I'm a
Yeah.
complete beginner.
Excellent. Yeah, this is for you.
Complete. Yeah, like I'm like I do know I do like I did a in high school, I think I did one class of Python and there was another. Do you know Scratch?
Oh, dude. Oh, I used that so long ago. Yeah.
Yeah, like I used to use Scratch in like prep school.
I see.
So I did, but then that's like I mean, giving like the computer or like, I guess giving the computer things to do, like that's what like a teacher used to do. But this is interesting. This is interesting. Anyway, carries on. I'm wasting time.
Mm.
Carry on, carry on. I know
No,
we
no,
only
it's
have
all
an
good,
hour.
all good. No, no, I like hearing this kind of things as well. It brightens my day. Okay. Okay, we're gonna do something a little bit different because right now we're sort of like using a calculator. Let's.
Hmm.
I'd like you to delete everything, and I want you to humor me for a second.
No worries.
Okay, delete everything, and I'd like you to write two numbers separated by a comma.
Okay.
Okay, next, I'd like you to surround them in parentheses.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, so in programming, we refer to them as parentheses. I may say
No
round
worries.
brackets. Yeah.
No
And
worries. No worries.
before the first parentheses, I'd like you to write NUM.
The first before it.
Yeah. Yeah, that's correct.
Num
Dash
dash.
MIN.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's okay. Before we run it, actually, what do you
Num.
think is going to happen?
Okay, so this is just a wild guess, right?
Hmm.
MUM must, I mean, it has to be maybe an acronym for number,
Okay.
maybe. And MIN is the minute. So I guess the fact that you put this in brackets must mean either the number two or two numbers in 3 minutes.
Okay. Okay, let's run it and see what happens. Gives us two.
Two gives me two, yeah.
Okay, any guesses? Now that you have seen an answer.
Num dash min 2, 3.
And oh, feel free to change the number. So I want you to figure out what this does by reverse engineering it. I want you to keep testing a lot of answers to figure out what it's
Okay,
doing.
that's three. Let me see. Why was it two though? Let me see. Four, three again. Five, three again. Oh, numbers smaller than three. Is that it?
Sorry,
Like
was
if it, like it only gives me numbers that are smaller than three. So the reason why it's only giving me three when I do a larger number is because that's bigger than three.
your guess is almost right, but try numbers
Because if
other
I
than
do,
three.
oh, let me try numbers other
Yeah.
than three.
Yeah, when you reverse engineer, you want to try all possibilities, right? Nothing should be fixed.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Oh, 32. That's not three.
30. That isn't three. That's 32. Oh, it's because 32 is smaller than 45. Is that
Yes.
it? 'Cause
Yeah.
if I do 56, it'll give me 45. Yeah.
Yep. Okay, you got it.
Okay.
Very
Yeah.
nice.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so you were correct. NUM is short for number.
Number? Yeah.
Yes. And MIN is short for minimum. It's giving you the minimum
Minimum.
number. Yeah.
Okay. 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 Nah, that's interesting. So MIN equals minimum and obviously equals number. Okay.
And there are many more of these. And how do you know? How
Mhm.
do you find them? So, you know how like when you're learning a language, you may use a dictionary from time to time to refer to certain
Yeah.
words. So in
Yeah.
programming, there are dictionaries, but for programming languages. It's
Oh,
like, oh,
really?
yeah. You can sort of search up like,
Okay.
oh, what does this do? Or I'm looking for like all operations on numbers. Can you tell me what they are? And you can
Hmm.
look through the dictionary for them. Uh, we'll get to that in the future, not now. I'm just letting you know.
Hmm.
Another thing I wanted to talk about is also notice how we went from using symbols like plus, minus, times,
Yeah.
into using words now.
Now, yeah, we are using words. Yeah.
Yeah. And the reason for this is because there are so many operations. Like it's more than just bit math, right? I'm talking about like many, many operations you could perform.
Oh, yeah, you said in programming many different operations. Yeah.
Exactly. And there are so few symbols,
Hmm.
and so we got to start using words for them.
Ah, okay.
Let's try something. Can we add this whole thing to another number? Like, don't delete anything. Just add a number here
In the bracket,
outside the brackets.
outside the bracket, any random number.
Any random number, anything you wish. Oh, but
Okay,
you
and I
gotta
run
add
it.
it like plus.
Oh, I added.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Add as in like addition.
Still
Yeah.
needs a space between, yeah?
Yes, yes, yeah. Always in this
Okay.
programming language.
In this programming language, okay.
145.
145. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. That does make sense. Since we were saying numbers, minimum 45, right?
Yep.
Since 56 is larger than 45, it'll give me 45. And then
Yep.
it added 100.
Exactly.
Okay.
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 Notice how like the same way we can combine multiplication and plus on the same line. We can
Yeah.
combine like word operations like num with plus as well.
Mm-hmm.
So as far as the computer is concerned, it doesn't care if it's times or whatever. As long as like it's an operation, it will do it. So num it will perform the operation. Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Numbing will form the operation first, and
Yep.
then that's why it's in bracket. Okay.
Exactly. So yeah, coming back to parentheses, right? The parentheses is right there, right?
Yeah.
It's just that the words come before it.
Okay. Okay. That makes sense.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Yeah, because of the
So you
parentheses.
were
Yeah.
saying, okay, so
Sorry,
you
go
were
ahead.
saying that
Yeah.
the other like there's like a an operations dictionary when it comes to programming.
Yes.
Okay, so the other operations other than numbin.
Yep. Many more. Trust me.
Many more, many more, many more. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now go on, carry on, carry on, carry on.
Okay. Um, we could actually move the plus 100 inside the parentheses. Let's try that.
I run it.
Yeah.
I guess Can I give a guess before I run it?
Yeah.
I feel as though it might do the what is it called? The 45 plus 100 first, and then the number it'll give me will be 56.
Okay. Let's see.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, that's also a very good habit to have, like having guesses before you run the program, and the program will immediately
Hmm.
check your guess. Yeah,
Okay.
that's good.
Okay. 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 Now that's good because I'm starting to understand why, as in like I wouldn't say it's similar to like math when you use BIDMAS, but when you once you said BIDMAS and it took me a while to, oh, I have to use parentheses. Now that I know I'm using parentheses and the operation is plus, there's no other operation for the 56. I mean, a comma isn't part of BIDMAS. So I knew that it would do the plus first before, and then that will be the number minimum 145. So it'll be 56.
Exactly. Yes. Okay.
Mm.
So far we've been exploring the laws of arithmetic, right? Just performing operations
Yeah,
on numbers. Let's do
yeah.
something. Let's move forward in time a little. Laws of arithmetic basically existed since humans existed. Let's move forward in time a little, and let's go to algebra.
Okay.
Okay. So invented by a Persian mathematician hundreds of years ago.
Yeah.
Let's delete everything. I would like you to write equals 1. That is the symbol equals.
Okay. The symbol equals one.
Yes, new line.
Mm-hmm. New line now.
Yeah. And then x.
Okay. X.
Now, before we run it, what do you think is going to happen?
It'll give me one.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah.
Okay. Algebra, right?
Mhm.
Very familiar
Yeah,
ideas. When we
that's
see x, we see 1.
yeah,
Now,
we see X, we see one, yeah.
okay, let's run an experiment. Can we swap lines 2 and 3?
Okay. Hold on.
Yeah,
One. Let me run it. I guess it'll give me one again.
let's see.
Oh, the name X is unbound. It is used but not previously defined. You may need to run the program or check dashes and capitalization in the name. Let me run it
Hmm.
again. Ah, again, the name X is unbound. What does that mean?
It's not defined. It
It's
doesn't know
not
what it is.
defined.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, so that's why you have to do that first.
Yes.
That's why. Okay. Okay. That makes sense.
So there's a notion of order of operations, but across
Hmm.
multiple lines.
Okay.
This programming language is processes the lines from top to bottom. So it's going to see the x first, and it's not going to see x equals 1.
Oh, it sees the X first.
Yeah,
Mm. Okay. So that's why you need to, I guess, show it that X equals one before you write X.
exactly. So let's bring that back. Let's swap the lines again so that they're in the correct order.
Okay. So
Can we change line 3 to x plus 1?
line three to X plus one.
Yeah. And before
Does
we
this?
run it, what do you think is going to happen?
It'll give me two.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah.
2. So numbers and
Yeah.
variables, they can mix and match.
Yes, I can.
So really algebra. This really is algebra.
It really is algebra, by the way.
Yeah. Can we
So
change x
coding
equals?
basically,
Oh,
you are right. Coding basically is like, I mean, not, the way we're using this, what is it called? This program, it's technically the way we're using it, it's technically like a sort of like an advanced calculator.
yes. Oh, but I'll tell you, it's very advanced. The most advanced calculator you will ever see.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, what's the next I'm getting excited now, man. What's the
Okay, that's
next what's the
good.
next thing?
That's good. That's good. Okay, let's change line 2 to x equals 2.
Line 2 to x equals 2.
Yep.
Okay.
Let's run it.
I run it. I guess it'll give me 3. Yeah.
Okay. So nothing different, right? But now x can take on a different value.
Yes, it can.
Okay. Could you add a new line after line 2?
Yes. Okay. But there's line 3 right here. So I delete
Oh, don't delete it.
x plus
Just
1.
put your cursor at the start of line 3 and hit enter.
Okay.
Oh, no, no. Before, at the start of line 3.
At the start of line 3. Hold on.
And then hit enter.
Okay.
And now go to line 3. And I'll ask you to write x equals 3.
X equals 3.
Now, before we run it, what do you think is going to happen?
I don't think it can do the math.
Why not?
I think there'll be an error.
There'd be an error. Okay.
Yeah,
And
I
why do you
think
say
there
that?
will be an because we've given it two X has two answers. X has two like what's the word for it? X already has two solutions. X at first we said X
Hmm.
equals 2, now it's saying X equals 3. So either it takes on the X equals 2 or there will be an error. Like I think it'll be confused. It doesn't know what X equals.
Okay, that's a pretty good answer. But let's see. Let's run it. Let's see what happens. Right on the
Hmm.
money. You're right on the money.
Yeah, I had a feeling because at first you had said when we did the that's okay. I understand why you told me to exchange the x plus one and the x or x equals one, put it on line 3, and then put line 2 as x. You know, then that gave me the idea where you have to give it a basis for it to do that calculation.
Exactly. Yes. Uh, okay, I do want to note that different programming languages will have different results here. In some programming languages, you will get 4.
4.
Well, in some, not all. Like this it's not the case here.
Mm-hmm.
Like in Python, this would be 4.
How come?
Um, I would
Is that
have
too
to
advanced
explain why
or
it would involve more computer science concepts. So
okay,
all I'll say is that no, yeah, no, like yeah, yeah. I'll save it for the future. It will make sense in the
okay,
future. Yeah.
okay, no worries.
So the reason why this programming language does it this way is because, well, like if you don't have to involve more concepts, this is a simpler idea. And it also makes
Hmm.
sense. We already said x is 2. Why are we saying x is 3? Like, why do we even say x is 2 in the first place? Right?
Exactly.
Yeah. Another thing I want to mention also, you mentioned just now x has two solutions. This is actually really good that you said that.
Hmm.
Uh, but we want to generalize that idea. We don't say x has two solutions.
Hmm.
The word solution is in programming we say values. X will be
Value.
taking on
Okay.
two values. Yeah. The
Okay.
reason why we say values is because we're starting to move away from mathematics.
Okay.
Yeah. That's also yeah, I'll explain more about that later actually. Okay. So great. So we are moving further with laws of algebra and we've discovered variable substitution and
Yeah.
how variables can be declared and whatnot. Okay, let's move on forward to another idea in algebra, which is functions.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, I don't know if you remember, like we can say things like f of x is x plus 1, for example.
Half of x is x plus 1. Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm going to teach you how to write a function, and I need you to humor me because it's going to be look a little different from what you're used to. Okay.
Okay.
First, write fun space f opening parentheses.
Oh, sorry.
Yep. X closing parentheses colon
Oh, sorry.
Yep. That's not a
What
colon,
next?
that's a full stop. It's the one
Oh,
above the
sorry.
full stop.
Sorry.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's all
sorry.
right.
I clicked the wrong one. Sorry. After colon?
Oh, that's not a colon.
Oh,
That's a comma.
that's not a colon. Poly.
Oh, it's shift that key. That's the one. Okay. New line. X plus one.
X plus. Oh, shit. Why is it saying?
New line. END. Ah, notice how it's highlighted now.
Yeah. END and fun are highlighted.
Yes, because they're keywords.
Okay.
So when the programming language sees fun, fun, it sees, oh,
Mhm.
you are defining a function. We are defining a function now.
Okay.
The function is called f. And what are functions? Okay, yeah, let me ask you, what are functions?
Functions.
Yeah.
To be honest, I can't. I'll be honest. If you gave me a math, let's say a math equation that has functions in it, I can solve it, but I cannot give you the definition of functions.
Okay, I'll give you one. Okay, this isn't
Hmm.
a math explanation, but this is like good enough for our purposes.
Hmm.
In a function, you give it something, it
Oh,
gives you back something.
okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense.
So a function has three parts. The first is it has a name so that you can refer to it.
Hmm.
The second one, it has parameters. These are the inputs into the function. What are you going to give it?
What are you going to give it? Okay.
Yeah. In this case, you give it one thing.
X plus one, which is X plus one.
So x plus one is what it gives you back. We call this the body of the function.
Okay.
So we have name, parameters, and the body. And the END, the N, marks the end of the body. So that's how the programming language knows, oh, you have finished defining the function. We're done here.
Okay.
All right, let's run it and see what happens.
Hold on, just give me a second.
Oh yeah, no problem.
X one D. So the X plus one is the body of the function.
Yes.
All right. And you had said in any way, a function is to give something and it gives something back. To
Yes.
give it something and then it gives something back.
Yeah. Inputs to outputs. Yep.
Inputs to outputs. All right. It's not giving me anything.
Interesting. Well, that's because we're not giving the function anything too as well, right?
Oh, yes, we aren't, by the way.
Yeah, all
Because
we've
X
done we
doesn't equal anything.
exactly. We've defined it.
It's just,
We haven't used it.
yeah, you're
Ah.
right.
Okay, let's go to the left window and let's use it. So in mathematical speak, we say we apply a function, but
Hmm.
programmers, we say we call a function.
Okay, call a
Yeah.
function.
So to call a function, all you have to do is first refer to its name. So write f.
So write F. What do I write F now?
Oh, let's say line 5,
Line five. Okay, F.
opening parentheses, and then any number. Okay, that's pretty good. Let's close parentheses and let's run it.
So I'm guessing X must equal 3. So then it would do 3 plus 1, which is 4. Hmm.
Okay. Okay, I'm actually
Hmm.
curious. I don't actually know the answer to this. Could you move f of 3 before the function definition?
I move it before.
Yeah. Yeah, like cut line 5 and move it before line 2.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cut line 5 here, and then we go there, right there,
Oh no, no, before line two. So sorry,
before line
like f of three. Could you highlight f of three?
F of 3 here. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, could you highlight the whole line and then cut it and then move to line the start of line two. Hit enter. Oh yeah, you could at the start of line two if you hit enter and then go to line two now that it's empty and paste it. Oh wait, you gotta paste it in line two.
Oh no, hold
Oh,
on, hold on.
control.
Just give me the function. I still have it.
Okay. Should I just paste it?
Control.
Or you can also do Control Z on your keyboard to undo.
Okay, Control Z.
Yeah,
Oh,
just
that's
keep
not
pressing
working.
Control Z until they come back from the dead. Yeah.
Okay, there.
Okay, so yeah, but back to the start. But could you move f of three to this before line two?
So you
Yeah.
said cut, and
Yep.
then we go to line 2,
Yep.
go up there, and then we paste it on line
Yeah.
2.
Exactly. And
There
let's
we
run it.
go.
Let's see what
Okay.
happens. I don't know if this will work. Okay, yeah. F is
Name
unbound.
F is unbound. Okay, so we have to do the F equals X.
We have to define the
Because
function first. Yeah.
we have to define the function first. Okay.
Yeah.
Before okay, that to be honest, I thought I had no idea, like you said, but maybe
Recording in progress.
Can I remove now?
hold on, just kick the other party out real quick.
Okay.
Okay.
Why do you need to do that?
Because this isn't my laptop, it's my cousin's laptop. So it's on, what is it called? It immediately
Oh, okay.
signs onto her account. Yeah.
Interesting. Okay.
Nah, but she's, what is it called? We sort of like share the laptop.
I see.
Mm.
Interesting. Okay.
So I share my screen again?
Oh, yes, please. Yeah. Yeah. We were last left off. We saw that the same way that when you define a variable, you can only use it after you define it. You could only use a function after you defined it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let's delete line two.
Okay.
Just line two. That's line three.
Oh, my fault.
Oh, wait. Control Z. You need to bring it back. Yeah. Excellent. Okay. Um, okay. Let's run it again just to get things working again. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So now empty. Okay. Notice how there are two windows. There's like a left window and right window.
Um, where, yeah, there are two windows. Yeah, 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 yeah.
And the one on the left is what you've been writing in, and the one on the right has been giving you answers.
The answers, yeah.
Okay, let's go to the right window now.
Okay.
I would like you to write F, open parentheses, any number, and close parentheses,
F, open parentheses, 9, close
and
parentheses.
then hit
Okay.
enter.
And then hit enter.
No, no, enter. You gotta hit enter, not run.
Oh, enter, not run.
Yeah,
Sorry, I
yeah.
apologize. Hit
You
enter.
get 10.
Oh, it gives me 10. Oh,
Let's
wait,
try
hold
the.
on. It's doing the calculation.
Yeah, on the spot. Yeah, you didn't even have to run.
I didn't have to run.
Yeah. Okay, wait, let's try that
So you,
again.
okay, different numbers now.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. Let me do something bigger since.
So you have to write in a new line now. Just like
Okay.
the moment you
Okay.
hit enter, it's written in stone.
It's written. Okay. Okay, that
Yeah.
makes sense. Let's do and make a big. Okay. I guess this is an easy one, but yeah, it does the calculation.
Mm.
It does that. Do I also change the x plus one, or do I just keep that the same?
Oh, let's do it. Let's do it.
Oh shit, I hit run. My fault, sorry.
It's okay.
Oh yeah, it's giving me the wow. Nah, that's
Okay.
interesting.
Could we change the 500 to a different number and do not hit run?
Okay, I won't hit run. I won't hit run.
Yeah.
Any number. Okay, there.
Okay, do not hit run. And then
No, I won't change. I
call
won't
function f
change.
again with a different number in the
Um,
right window
the right window with a different number. F
and hit enter.
1400.
It added 500, right? What's happened?
Uh, did it at 500? Hold on.
No, what's happening?
Now
Why
I
did
have
it
to,
do that?
now I have to do that calculation. Let me see. Why did it add 500? Because F equals 900
Yeah.
plus 390. It shouldn't have added 500.
Okay, let me explain what's happening. The reason why it's
Mm.
adding 500 is because we didn't click run. It's still using the old program when you clicked run.
Okay.
So this F that you see right here in the right window, it's the old
Mm-hmm.
F you had before you made the changes. It's the old F it saw when
Oh.
you hit run.
Oh, this one right here.
So this is the new F. It's seeing the
This is the
old
new F
F.
right here.
Yeah.
But the old F was 500.
Yes, that's the moment in time when you click run. Yeah.
Oh, so that's why you meant don't click run.
Exactly. That's why I was emphasizing it a
Oh,
lot. Yeah.
okay, that makes sense. So if I click run, then it sort of saves the old F, and then if you're doing the same calculation on the other side, it adds the 500 since it's the old plus the 390 you've just added.
Exactly. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so just to explain what's happening even more. So the left window, let's call it the definitions window. This is where we
Okay.
define our program.
Left window. There. Okay.
Okay, and
Okay.
the right window, it's a bit funny, but it's
Mm-hmm.
called a REPL.
A rebel.
REPL. REPL.
Rep REPL. And what is
It
that? What does
stands
it do?
for read, R for read,
Read,
read like reading a
read,
book. R for
read.
read, E for
Mm-hmm.
evaluate,
E for evaluate.
P for print,
Print.
and L for loop.
Okay.
So here's what it's doing. The right-hand side is like a one-line program. You write something. When you hit enter, first it reads it. That's the R. Next, it
Okay.
evaluates it. What does evaluate mean? It means to make a value. Remember
Yes.
how I said like we don't say solutions, we say values?
Yes, we do.
Values are like the most simplified things. It's like
Okay.
the computed thing. It's like 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 is the value.
Two is a value. Okay.
So it takes what you wrote, it reads it, it turns it into a value, it evaluates it. That's why there's the word value in evaluate. Turns into a value.
Evaluate. It turns into a value.
Okay, once it gets the answer, it prints it. That's why we can see it.
Okay.
And L for loop, because you can keep doing this
For
again
loop
and again and again.
again and again. So it does that in a split second.
Oh yeah, computers are fast.
Man, that's crazy. That's crazy.
Like if you play like video games, the computer is running
Mm-hmm.
Like I think I don't know what's the exact number. I think it's in the trillions, like trillions of operations a second.
That's
Maybe
insane.
more. Yeah. I should like check up on that. I don't know what's the exact number. Anyway, yeah, so not all languages have this, by the way, the REPL. Only some do.
Hmm.
This language has it because this language is designed for beginners. And a
Okay.
REPL is really good for like getting feedback really quickly.
Yeah.
And so yeah, it's good for beginners to learn very quickly. They can experiment very quickly. And so, like if you
Yeah.
have time and you want to do some experimenting, and it's good to pull this up and just like try stuff out. You'll learn something.
No, for sure, because this is hella fun. I mean, obviously, like you're saying, it's more advanced, but this just doing this right now, it's actually very fun.
Awesome. I'm glad to hear that. Yeah, I do love
Hmm.
programming, and that's why it's a joy that I wish to share with other people. That's why I'm doing this.
For sure. Just one question,
Hmm.
because I don't want to be that guy who talks about money. Like this is completely free though, right?
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Three, yeah.
Okay, okay. Because like there was a time where I did do a coding course for Python. And the person, this one I found, my friend had sent me a link, and at first I think we did like 3 lessons, but it wasn't really lessons. Like he was just like telling me, like he told me to buy books, and he said if I can't get the books, I get them online. And
Okay.
then after on the third lesson, he was like, now I have to pay like a subscription and shit. So I was like, is that the same thing that's gonna happen here?
No, no.
Okay.
You're probably thinking
Okay,
like,
now,
whoa, this is too good to be true, right?
yes, I'm thinking like to be honest, it is too good to be true. And also,
Yeah.
how long will like this run for? Like the course itself? Like when, since you are the teacher, like
Yeah.
when will you, like, let me use the word evaluate me and say, okay, I can leave him alone to his own devices?
So
Like
this
when do
is
the
like,
courses end?
okay, so there's two parts to the question. In terms of like when are you like ready, that's up to
Hmm.
you. As long
Okay.
as I have like appointment slots open, you can book them and I'll help you out. It doesn't matter where you are in your
Okay.
journey. If you book an appointment, I'll be there to help you out. So that's the
Okay.
first part. The second part is how long will I be doing this? I don't actually know. So right now, I just graduated from college. I'm in a period of my life where I'm like transitioning to like from being a student to being a functioning member of society.
Uh-huh.
I happen to have some free time right now, and I'm using that free time to teach people. But
Okay.
when you do something for free, it's not going to be sustainable. So I don't actually know how long I'm going to be doing this for. I'm just doing it for
Hmm.
how long as I get. But like if I land like
Okay.
a job, I'm interviewing for companies right now. If I get a job, I have to cut down on the
Hmm.
hours, right? I got a job.
Nice, for
Yeah.
sure.
So that's the second part to it. I don't know how long this will run for, but as long as I
Mhm.
have time, I will give that time to others.
Okay. Second of all, is this
Yeah.
like, oh, obviously I did read your Reddit. Like I know you just like in the Reddit you had said that you had just graduated from college.
Yeah.
Um Now, is this like a huge course? Like, are there a lot of? I know there are other people doing it other than me, of course, but like,
Hmm.
is there like you're saying, you've scheduled 1 lesson a week for everybody who's part of the course.
I don't do the
So if they
scheduling.
get,
The student's the one that does the scheduling.
oh, sorry, I mean, you have said it's one lesson every week for the people who have scheduled,
At most. That's the maximum.
and most.
So in
Okay,
theory, you
and
could skip
most.
a week, right? Yeah.
Yeah, you can skip a week. Okay, so then if it gets too crowded though, like how will you manage time for
So
like your
right
other
now,
people?
right now it's still okay. At some point, I have to
Hmm.
close the submission, the Google Forms.
Okay.
Right now, it's
Yeah.
still open. Um,
Yeah.
but it's every man for themselves. Like if there comes a point where there are more people than slots, well, whoever books a slot first gets it. And that's
Okay.
also why I want to do YouTube videos because, like, let's say you really want a slot and you just can't get a slot. At least you can watch other people who are in a similar journey as you. You can learn from
That
those
makes
videos.
sense.
Yeah,
That makes sense. That makes sense.
yeah.
Okay, anyways, how many minutes do we have left? 4
We have
minutes.
4 minutes. Yeah, I do have a session after this, so I do have to end on time. Um,
Okay.
okay. But yeah, so for this course, like it's literally free. Like, dude, okay, dude, that Reddit post. Okay, I don't want to be that guy, but like I'm doing this out of goodwill, you know? But some people, sorry,
Now some
I shouldn't
people
get into
get
it actually. Yeah, like we're recording right now, so I don't get into it. But I feel like I'm doing this on my goodwill, but some people are pretty upset that I'm doing this for free, which is crazy to me.
Oh man.
Okay.
I mean, that's how it is. But anyways, yeah, that's another story for another or when we're not recording.
Yeah. Um,
Yeah,
but there like this course is like the freest of free. Like the textbooks I'm using are free, which is crazy. And
that's
I feel like
insane.
the textbooks I'm referring to, I feel like are like the best out there.
Wow.
So the textbooks are free. Like what I'm doing right now, this hour is free. Everything like this
Mhm.
language is free. You don't have to pay for anything. Like, it's like free as of free. Absolutely zero
That
charge.
that's
Yeah.
crazy. Now the second thing is you said language. Like since I put my second language as Kiswahili,
Uh-huh.
I would like you said like would there be a Kiswahili translator right now?
No, no. No. So the reason why I ask for language is for people that do not speak English, they are the ones to
Okay.
bring. They need to bring a translator with them.
Okay, they need to bring a translator with them. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, all right. No, no, no. I do know English. I do know
Okay.
English. So
Yeah, your English is
I
excellent.
just okay, good. Because I just put Kiswahili there because it said that I have to answer that question.
Oh no, but like there are two choices, right? There's English or the second option is you bring a translator that speaks that language.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, so I shouldn't have technically I shouldn't have clicked that.
Yeah, which is why the first thing I asked is like, oh, this guy's speaking English. Wait a minute, what's happening here? Okay.
Nah,
All right.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Nah, that's
Okay,
my
we do
fault.
have to
Sorry.
wrap up now. Okay, so one
Mhm,
thing I like to do to end the sessions with my students, like I like to ask them, what's one thing you learned
mhm.
today that stuck with you?
One thing I've learned today that stuck with me is programming has different operations.
Okay.
That's one thing that has stuck with me. And two, the repel or sorry, REPL.
Ah, okay.
That one has stuck with me. That one for sure. Read, evaluate, print, and loop. That acronym REPL that has struck with me because it makes sense for coding. You know, like all the things we've done since the start of the session has been REPL. You know, it's read, it's evaluate, it's printed, and now it's looped because we looped it many different times.
Mm,
So that
interesting.
has
Okay.
stuck with me. And also this I guess you said programming is like sort of well this program is like a huge calculator, a very fast calculator, but right now it's we're using it as a calculator.
Hmm.
That also has stuck with me because now since I'm a beginner, the easy I guess this is sort of easy, but the easy things that are happening like we're using math, algebra, I'm sort of familiar with those.
Hmm.
So it's very easy for me to get into that.
Awesome. Okay, I do have to end here. I'm very happy to help you in your journey, and I hope to see you again. All
Thank
right.
you very much. Thank you
Of
very
course. Bye
much.
bye now.
Bye.